President Netumbo Nandi-Ndaitwah has urged Namibian businesses accompanying her on a state visit to China to actively pursue investment opportunities, particularly in manufacturing, value addition, and technology transfer. Addressing members of the Namibian business community in Beijing on Thursday, Nandi-Ndaitwah said the country's relationship with China has evolved from political solidarity during Namibia's liberation struggle to a partnership focused on economic cooperation. Nandi-Ndaitwah encouraged Namibian businesses to position themselves strategically to benefit from China's decision to provide zero-tariff access for products from African countries, including Namibia. She said businesses should focus on producing goods that could be exported to the Chinese markets rather than only exporting raw materials. The president identified sectors such as agriculture, mining, fisheries, energy, tourism, transport, logistics, and infrastructure as key areas where Namibian businesses could partner with Chinese counterparts. She noted that China has expressed interest in products such as Namibian beef, fish, grapes, fruit, and vegetables, and Namibia needs to align its production capacity with market demands. Reporting for NAMPA News, Isabel Bento, Beijing, China.